Okay, hello. This is going to be the third video of the step ladder. We're going to draw the support board in this video. So let's start a sketch. We're going to select this face of one of the front legs as our sketch plane. I'll click front view there so we're looking at it straight on. I'm going to zoom in up near the top here and we're going to select the line tool. We start in the point, the top corner, so click once to start. Make sure you get the horizontal icon or the parallel icon as I've got across and click. We move down and click, and this time we need to make sure we get the perpendicular icon, so it's perpendicular to that line there. And so you're just going to have to keep moving the mouse around until you get the perpendicular icon and go across and touch that line and click. And to finish, we just go back to our starting point. We need to make this back line parallel with our legs, so we'll look for the parallel tool and we'll click that line, and the existing line on the edge of the front leg makes those two parallel. Dimension tool, it needs to be 18 millimeters thick, so between those two lines, click and type 18. It will adjust, and from the point here, click once, down to this bottom edge, click once, move our dimension leader out, and this needs to be 110. That's sized correctly so we can finish that sketch. I'm going to go back to a 3D view, so right click isometric, and we're going to extrude. We're going to extrude that shape that we just drew, so click that once. We're going to change this option here so it says up to face, and rotate your view so you can see the opposite leg, and we're going to click on the face of that leg there. So click, it extrudes across, and that looks okay. Just make sure it says new over here and tick to complete that part. Let's rename this by right clicking our part down here, and we'll call it support board. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll stop this one. Next video we'll do the back legs.